welcome.
This monkey takes his tractor and goes to plow the field. He is watering the field thoroughly, filling it with water. Then,
मैं अब इसमें गजर बोऊंगा। इरिकेटों की परे बेटा, हाँ आई तुम इचे खोकी से
Look at how much you've grown. You are doing so well today.
but some animals in the jungle were hungry. The rabbit, deer, and pig saw the carrots. Now, putting anything into the machine behind the tractor, he starts the bonus.
and within a few days, its jalebi trees grow large. And a lot of jalebi.
Wow, look at them grow! So many jalebis! I better start picking! Hey, brothers, come on! Let's go! Driving my tractor in the morning sun, farming and whistling, having so much fun. We just keep rolling along, singing our happy song.
with giant cookies. Whoa, let's go! Dancing down the road, singing a happy song.
चलो चले आगे बढ़े हम सब मिलकर मजे करें.
Rolling down the chocolate path, deeper into the sweets. Now we reach the bud. We're heading up the steeper slope now. Higher we go in the world of chocolate. We are driving to the wonderful world of chocolate. Look at all the chocolate rivers flowing wide, filling up the forms inside. Driving through the candy land, sharing all the chocolate with my friends. We're driving up the chocolate mountain, climbing to the very top today. A very beautiful path comes, leading to the mountains. La la la, here we go! Look at the dancing fish. Hold on tight as we're going down, fastest ride in the jungle town. Keep on going, keep on moving, feel the rhythm, keep on grooving. Driving down the chocolate road, look at all the candies we can see. Moving forward on our way, eating chocolates all today. Laughing together, happy. Look at all this delicious fruit, everyone! I love eating the driving the tractor, me and my friends. Off on a journey where the fun never ends. Look up high, the sky is shining. A magic path is opening wide. Let's drive up to the chocolate world, see the houses made of sweets. We are going on a journey to the sweetest place on earth, where the river runs. The tractor lifts into the sky, carrying us as we all fly, leaving the